Hi everyone, I'm Alyssa with the blog HarborHome32.com, and today I'm going to introduce something new to you, 2-Minute Tip Tuesdays, where I give you a cooking, natural living, or budget tip in 2 minutes or less. Today's tip is how to make hand soap last longer. This is something that is usually pretty inexpensive already, but you can make it last even further by doing this one simple thing. Take a foaming hand soap dispenser and fill it up 1/4 to 1/3 of the way with your soap, and then the rest of the way with the water. So what you're essentially doing is diluting the soap down, and then it comes out the foaming dispenser just like any other foaming dispenser would, or any other foaming soap. Soap today is really concentrated, and so you don't even need the full amount that they give you in one big pump. So having something like a foaming hand dispenser will allow you to dilute the soap and have a nice foaming hand soap without losing any strength in the cleanliness that you get. I'll show you how to do it right now. It's pretty easy. I like Mrs. Meyer's as an all-natural soap because yeah, it's just a really good clean soap, not a lot of toxic ingredients. Okay, pour in my water. Leave a little room for the pump. There you go. Shake it up. You just diluted your soap into something that will last a lot longer than if you were just to use just the regular pump. Mrs. Meyer's for one of these is about $3.50 to $4 depending on the season and store. But now I just took that $3.50 bottle, and it's gonna last, this has lasted me probably 4 months instead of maybe like 1 or 2. So this is a huge savings in the money category for your household products. You can do this also with dish soap or laundry detergent. Those things come really concentrated nowadays. So diluting it down will help you make those products last a lot longer. Thanks so much for watching this video. See you next time.